experienced politicians have made an impressive return and might play a crucial role in shaping the new political landscape of India. Well, here I think you know what I'm talking about. Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu. Nitish Kumar in Bihar and Chandrababu Naidu in Andhra Pradesh, along with their parties, the Janata Dal United and Telugu Desam Party respectively, could play a key role in forming a new government of India. Now, if we talk about Nitish Kumar, then he has outsmarted his senior partner, the BJP. As of the latest report, his party, the JDU, was leading in 14 seats, that is one more seat than the BJP. Now, there are some speculations that the coin can flip either way. Both the parties, the NDA and India Bloc, are trying really hard to claim the right to form the government in the centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have already called Chandrababu Naidu, and they are likely to discuss the political situation of the NDA alliance. Now, let's just consider both the scenarios. Both the members are available. Now, who will support Nitish and Naidu? Big question here that everybody is asking is whether the two politicians could help the India alliance get the numbers that is needed to replace the NDA government. This last minute drama is a major game changer. Now, both the political leaders are key members of the NDA. However, as the India alliance gains strength, more collision possibilities are being suggested and discussed. Nitish Kumar is known for changing political sides like nobody else. Now, before the elections, there were rumors about his health, and he was rarely seen at major political rallies, and even Prime Minister Narendra Modi was speaking in Patna and other cities in Bihar, and he was missing. Now, in just few hours, everything seems different. Will this big win give Nitish Kumar the confidence to shape the future? Not just his party in Bihar, but also in a significant national role for the JDU? Well, it certainly looks possible. Now, shifting our focus to Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu. He was once called the CEO CM. He is showing his political skills and ability to influence the future. Now, Babu's political skill will be tested as the TDP leads in 16 seats and BJP in 3. Babu is the son-in-law of the famous actor turned politician N.T. Rama Rao. Well, I think that this thing turned really positive for him. Now, we take both the scenarios. First, let's talk about the NDA alliance. Well, personally, I don't feel like there's anyone, even Nitish Kumar, who can replace Amit Shah or Rajnath Singh. Well, they are the key main players of the NDA alliance. But when we talk about the India Bloc, then most of the key main players that they have, they are already, either it's Mamata Banerjee that we are talking about here, then she's already the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and I don't see that she's going to take another ministry, leaving her Chief Minister post or any sort of other key players. So in India Bloc, they have more of place for Nitish Kumar and Babu. So there are more possibility that these two ministers may join the India Bloc. Well, if that happens, then the whole government is going to be changed, and this is a big news for all the citizens of India. Also, let me give you an information that it is alleged that Nitish Kumar has been offered a post of Deputy Prime Minister by the India Bloc. Well, if that's the case, then we have it all. For more such interesting videos related to the result of Lok Sabha elections, do follow India.com special election coverage.